Welcome back to our channel where we make simple and fun. Welcome back to our channel where we make math simple and fun. Today we are going to learn how to find the domain of the function f bracket x bracket is equal to square root bracket x minus 3 bracket. So grab your pen and paper and let's get started. Before we dive into the problem, let's quickly understand what a domain is. The domain of the function is the set of all possible input value bracket x value bracket for which the function is defined. In other words, it's the range of x value that we can plug into function without causing any issues. Now let's take a look at our function. We have f bracket x bracket equals square root bracket x minus 3 bracket. This square root function, which means we need to make sure that the value inside the square root is always non-negative. That's because we can't take the square root of a negative number. To find the domain, we need to ensure that the value inside the square root is greater than or equal to 0. So let's set up an inequality bracket x minus 3 bracket greater than 0. Now let's solve this inequality to take the both sides simple. Add 3 both sides. That is x greater than 3. Okay, and there you have it. So the domain for the function f bracket x bracket is equal to square root bracket x minus 3 is x greater than 3. So that's the answer. So that's how you find the domain of a square root function. Remember the key is to ensure that the value inside is non-negative. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question or need further clarification, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple, fun, and mathematics that we can solve together. See you on the next video.